This is how to combine your keywords using Boolean operators. There are 3 Boolean operators: and, or, and not. And acts like an addition sign. When you use and, you are telling the database that you want both or more of your terms to show up in your search results. If I search NIL and college athletics, all of my results will contain both NIL and college athletics. Or is used when you have multiple versions of one keyword, like synonyms or different spellings. Or tells the database that you will take any of these terms. So if I search college athletics or student athletes, some of my results will say college athletics, and some will say student athletes. Not acts like a subtraction sign. When you use not, you tell the database that you don't want a term in your results. For example, I could say NIL deal not professional athlete to take out the term professional athlete from my results. In addition to Boolean operators, there is one more tool to help you successfully combine search terms: the quotation marks. Using quotation marks tells the database to search something as a phrase. This is especially important when you have a multiple term keyword, like college athletics. When I search college athletics with no quotation marks, some of my results just say college, and some just say athletics. Using college athletics and quotation marks guarantees that the database will search the 2 words together as a phrase. When organizing a search, you should always put your or terms together in parentheses and your not terms at the end. Think of the mathematical order of operations. Parentheses come before addition, which comes before subtraction. So our example search would look something like name, image, likeness, or NIL, and college athletics, or student athletes, not professional athletes. If you need assistance with creating and organizing your search or with Boolean operators, you can always reach out to the library at ask.lib.ua.edu. Thanks. See you next time.